Hello guys, let's fix camera missing in device manager on Windows 10. So we'll be performing very simple steps and make sure you follow all the steps. So at the left hand side, click on the start. Just do a right click on that start icon and go to device manager. Now in the device manager, select the top one which is actually a computer name, and then go to view menu and show hidden devices. See if your camera is there or not. So your camera can be here or it can be in the imaging device as well. So look for something which says imaging device in your device manager. If it's there, well and good. If it's not, we will move to the next step. And the next step is we need to select the computer and we need to go to actions. And here, click on scan for hardware changes. Once you click on hardware changes, just observe that your camera or any other device has been added or not. So look for the camera, or at the bottom see if there is a question mark for that particular driver or the hardware. So just do a right click on that if you find that question mark and update it to the driver. If it's not showing anything, we will go to add legacy hardware. So once we go to actions, click on add legacy hardware, click on next, and here we are selecting the automatic one. So I'll click on next and see if it's working for you or not. If it doesn't, we will go again and we'll do the manual way. So actions and add legacy again, then click on next and install the hardware that I manually select from the list. And here, select the camera and then click on next, and here you will find the manufacturer. So if it's an inbuilt camera, select the Microsoft default one, or if it's an external camera, you can select from the manufacturer and just have to click on next. So that's the manual thing. If it's still not working, look for imaging here, imaging devices, and then click on next and look for the camera, the USB scanner, like that. And click on next and restart the machine. See if it's working for you or not. If it doesn't, let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to fix your problem. Check the history I'm in. There is not a single commenter where I have not replied and helped. So I'll see you in the next video. Please hit the like button and subscribe